Now in the next question, show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square minus 15x minus 9, and hence factorize x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So here fx is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So this is fx. So if x minus 3 is a factor of fx, then f of 3 should be equal to 0. Why? Because f of 3 is equal to 0 because the divisor, that is x minus 3, is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So f of 3 should be equal to 0. So we find out the value of f of 3, that is equal to 3 cube minus 7 into 3 square plus 15 into 3 minus 9. So we get 27 minus 7 into 9, that is equal to 63 plus 45 minus 9. So 27 plus 45 is equal to 72, and 63 plus 9 is equal to 72 too. So we have 72 minus 72 is equal to 0. Hence x minus 3 is a factor of fx. So x minus 3 we proven is a factor of fx. So how do we find out the remaining factors? We divide this equation by x minus 3. So we start the division over here. We get x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 divided by x minus 3. So the first term over there will come out to be x square. Why? Because x square into x is equal to x cube. So x cube over here, and minus 3 into x square is equal to minus 3x square. So minus plus, this term is 0, and this term comes up to be minus 4x square. Do you get it? How? Minus 7x plus minus 7x square plus 3x square is equal to minus 4x square. So we take one term down from here. So this is plus 15x. Now we have to find out a term which when multiplied with this x comes out to be equal to 4x square. So if we multiply minus 4x with x, we will get minus 4x square. So minus 4x square plus we get minus 3 into minus 4x, that is equal to 12x. So we have plus and minus. So this term is 0, and this term will come out to be 15x minus 12x, that is 3x. And we bring this 9 down over here now, and now we have to find out a term which when multiplied with x results in 3x. So that is equal to 3. So 3 into x is equal to 3x, minus 3 into 3 is equal to minus 9. So this is minus over here and plus over here. So this comes out to be equal to 0. So the other factor of that of the equation x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now this is another factor, but we see that this is again not a linear equation. So we have to still reduce it to a linear equation because this will result in two factors. This equation over here will have 3 factors because this is a cubic equation. Whatever is the power of the equation, that is the number of factors it has. So now we have to factorize this equation further. We can factorize it by using the factorization method, that is by splitting of the middle term. How do we do this? We write it as x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 we take x common from the first two terms, we get x minus 3 over here, and we take minus 1 common from the second two terms, we get x minus 3 over here. So we can write it as x minus 3 into x minus 1. So these are the other two factors for this equation. X minus 3, x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So how do we write this equation now? We write the first factor, that is x minus 3, from there. Then we write the rest of the two factors, that is x minus 3 and x minus 1. We write it equal to the polynomial, that is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So the other two factors for the polynomial this, except from the x minus 3 over here, are x minus 3 and x minus 1.